Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coded PK. So in this class I will be telling you coded PK. So in this class I will be telling letter height and line height and letter spacing tag using CSS, and I hope you can enjoy this class and understand this class, what is used for letter spacing, what is use of line height tool. So now let's start the video. So I will tell you in my intro, I will tell you letter spacing and letter line height and CSS. So now I will first of all I will be open my Sublime text editor. So first of all I will be open with Sublime text editor. So I will be open it. So now easier. So I will be Control Z and I will be erase it. So next I will tell you styling links in CSS. So now I will be open my note. So I will be made a CSS file on where I will be made a CSS file where my HTML file will be made it. And now I will be easy as that, then save, then refresh. So here is coming like that. In title here I will be write line spacing and line height, and now now here I will be write line spacing and line height, then line not, here I will be write letter, and here we can write letter, then save, then refresh. It is coming like that, and here I will be also write letter, and here I will be also write letter, save and refresh. So it is coming like that. So I will go here, and here I will be write like text align should be center, font family should be Poppins, commas and serif, save, refresh. So it is coming like that. So how to do the letter spacing? First of all, you can only write here letter spacing should be 52 pixels. Save, refresh. So it is coming in letter spacing. Here you can see it. You can give any, and here I will be write like 10. Save, refresh. So it is coming in like 10. Here I will be write 5. Save, refresh. So it is coming like that. It is your own choice what you can give. Like here 5 pixels, 7 pixels. It is your own choice. Okay, so that tag you can, and you can will space the thing to using this tag, letter spacing tag. So it will be in space. Here you can see it. So now let's go to the letter height. Means height means letter spacing is on up and letter height should be down. So I will be write like letter height. So it is not coming. So here I will be write line height should be 50 pixels. Save, refresh. So it is coming in line height. Here you can see it. So here you can write like 100 pixels. Save, refresh. So it is coming in like that. So here you can see it, and you can give letter spacing tag. So you can give that, and you can give letter height. So you can give letter spacing. So you can use letter spacing tag. You can give letter height. So you can give line height. Okay. So and now here you can give the 10. Here you can write like 10, save, refresh. It is coming like that. In 10 data will be mixed, but I will be write 40, save, refresh. 40 is all okay. You can give any like 20, that. So in this class, okay, so 10, save, refresh. 10 is okay. So in this class I will tell you letter spacing and letter height and CSS, and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you next class. So for today, goodbye.